Every 1 out of 30 people is currently under attack by their own immune system, and the 2025 Nobel Prize has finally uncovered the antidote to this civil war within the body. The immune system is the most sophisticated army in the human body, but how does it distinguish between enemies and self? For half a century, scientists believed the thymus was a training camp where immune cells that attack the body itself are eliminated. But the reality is rheumatoid arthritis and type 1 diabetes still rage worldwide. Where is the problem? In 1995, Japanese scientist Shimon Sakaguchi broke this deadlock. He discovered a special group of T cells in mouse blood. Cells that do not attack pathogens but instead discourage other immune cells. When he proposed the peripheral immune tolerance theory, arguing these cells were a second line of defense outside the thymus, the academic community questioned, this violates established immune rules. The turning point came in 2001. American scientists Mary Blennerhassett and Fred Ramstall were shocked while researching a rare genetic disease. Infants with IPEX syndrome are born with systemic immune attacks, and their FOXP3 genes are all mutated. More critically, the special T cells Sakaguchi discovered were almost absent in these children. In 2003, Sakaguchi's team confirmed FOXP3 is the commander-in-chief of these regulatory T cells TREG. Without it, TREGs become incapacitated mediators. Nobel Committee Chair Ola Carlson commented, "These three scientists have rewritten immunology textbooks. This revolution holds three groundbreaking breakthroughs. First, the immune balance code. TREGs are like disciplinarians of the immune army. To few cause autoimmune diseases, to many shield tumors." Professor Su Bing from the Shanghai Institute of Immunology notes this explains why stronger immunity is not always better. Second, a new weapon for cancer treatment. Tumors trick TREGs into forming a protective shield. Doctors can now use drugs to clear TREGs in the tumor microenvironment, allowing immune cells to fire again. 2024 clinical trials show this therapy increases advanced melanoma remission rates by 40%. Third, hope for autoimmune diseases. Infusing in vitro cultured TREGs into type 1 diabetes patients has allowed some to break free from insulin dependence. But the revolution is still advancing. Currently, TREG therapy faces two major bottlenecks: insufficient in vitro expansion efficiency and a tendency to defect into ordinary immune cells. But scientists have found a breakthrough: gene editing technology can make TREGs more stable. In the next 5 years, organ transplant patients may no longer need lifelong immunosuppressants, and rheumatoid arthritis patients may bid farewell to hormone therapy. From Sakaguchi's questioning in 1995 to Blennerhassett's team's accidental discovery, to today's Nobel glory, every step of perseverance in basic science paves the way for life tomorrow. This immune revolution has only just begun.